Many new mothers wonder if it's safe to breastfeed when they're sick with a fever. Today, we'll address this common concern and provide evidence-based information. Some of the main points are generally safe to continue breastfeeding. Most illnesses, including those causing fever, don't prevent breastfeeding. Breast milk contains antibodies that can help protect the baby. Benefits of continued breastfeeding. Maintains milk supply, provides comfort to the baby, ensures proper nutrition. Some precautions to take practice. Good hygiene, hand washing, wearing a mask if necessary. Stay hydrated, rest when possible. When to consult a doctor. High fever, above 103 to 39.40. Severe symptoms, concerns about medication, compatibility with breastfeeding. In most cases, it's safe and beneficial to continue breastfeeding during a fever. However, always prioritize self-care and consult your healthcare provider if you have concerns. If you found this information helpful, please like and subscribe for more evidence-based parenting tips.